Good evening, everyone. Tonight I thought I'd show you a little piece that used to be in the Toronto Conservatory Grade Vlll book, Royal Conservative Music. It's called Solfeggietto, and it's by C.P.E. Bach. It's a fun piece. The students used to love to play it because they could rip up some fantastic speed with it from having done uneven practice on it. But I'll show you first of all, well, it's this kind of thing when it goes. It really moves like the wind, but it doesn't have to go that fast. In fact, these instructions say Allegretto con moto, so that's not as fast as lively, but with motion. So a bit of a contradiction of terms, but it's just a fun piece to play. And the uneven practice makes it possible to do that. So I'll play it first with the metronome for the quarter. It's in 4/4 time. It's in C minor, and I'll just go through the notes first. One little mistake in there. And besides not keeping it always exactly on the beat. But I'll show you how to practice it some of the uneven ways just to pick up the speed. So that's long, short, long, short, long. And then you do it short, long, short, long. Then you do triplets. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3. And then the second way, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And then straight to the third, 1, 2, 3. Now, too long, too short. So 1, 2, 3. And then too short, too long. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's really easy to do all these ways because you see the group of 4/16ths written there, and you know what you're doing then. And so 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Even. take it on the other spots where it's doing this kind of thing. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3. And then that's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then too long, too short. And too short, too long. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. But you have to have a clean finger release, or it'll sound awfully blurry. You can't have it sounding. As soon as the next note is down, the previous note has to be up. That finger has to be off, so that you get. Can't be. No good at all. But you still come in and float and balance on it. You don't want it too heavy. Like if it sounds, it's no good. So out and in and sink and be buoyant. Take the time to let yourself hear each individual note. And when it does these huge dynamic spots, like there's 8/16 of a half rest, and then, well, the left holds the whole bar. So 1, you can't cut that short. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. On the dynamics, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. This part is fun to play. It's a staccato for the quarters, so that's half on, half off. So that means you can hold it for 2/16 and off for 2/16. And the ending is always fun. You draw circles like a Ferris wheel. Anyway, I hope that gives you an incentive to want to learn that piece. Just find it on the computer and print it out. C.P.E. Bach, and it's Solfeggietto, Solfeggietto. It's like a study, and it's very rewarding because you can turn it into an artistic performance and make it really sound special, not just as an exercise, but as a work of art. So, you can't use too much pedal. It's only a dab, like it says pedal here. When you play the thumb, you want your foot to come off. See, there it's only on for 2 and off for 6. So it's very important to be accurate with the pedaling to keep it clean. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that and have a good night. Bye-bye.